In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Autozone discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser. And right here, you'll have to search for Autozone discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called Coupon Follow. And as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discount. So let's say that you want to get this one with up to 20% discount off your order. Simply select this button where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here. You can tap on this button to copy the promo code and you can apply it on your next order to get a 20% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have another website which is called Simply Codes. And right here we have a list with other promo codes, as you can see, that we can use for some benefits. So let's say you want to get this one with a 20% discount right here. Simply select this button where it says view code. And this is the promo code that you can copy and you can apply it on your next order to get a 20% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.